Hey guys, welcome back to Fruitopia. Today we have a unboxing video. Yep, the first one for the season. This is from Ross Creek Tropicals in Queensland, and I'm crossing my fingers that they have chosen some good trees for me, because guys, I don't know, last summer the trees were very average. I wasn't too pleased, so let's get into it. Looks like we have 4 trees. Okay, let's slip them out. Okay, it's all empty, and it's a lot more than 4 trees. Gee, it looked like 4, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trees. Yeah, I completely forgot what I ordered, but now it's all come back to my memory after seeing them, right? Because I ordered these 2 weeks ago, guys, and they're all tropical, and they're all well, not all of them. All of them except the first one here, the mango, are extreme tropical. So, oh boy, here we go again, right? Here we go again, experimenting in Melbourne with trees that are designed for far north Queensland. I don't like what I see on this one. That should not have been shipped in that state. See these leaves? See, that's one thing I don't like. I'm not saying just this nursery, but any nursery should not be shipping plants that have this kind of leaf damage or leaf condition, right? And I've had this before from Ross Creek and from Daly's, from both of them. The other trees, looking at them real quick, they seem to be okay-ish. Yeah, but this one here, this is the Abiu pointed variety, right? Yeah, I'm not happy about that, just out of the box. So that's what I'm talking about. Yep. Anyhow, let's have a look at what we got here. I gotta move quick because it's sunny, and these don't want to be in the sun when they've been pulled out of the box. So, oh, and this here, look. See the state of these leaves? The same. Hang on. When the leaves are like this, upon shipping to a cooler climate, it's not a good start. It's not a good start. Yeah. This is the star apple. Yeah, I'm a glutton for punishment, guys. We're doing star apple again, and we're doing Abiu again. Oh, George. All right, let's quickly go through this. So, star apple, seedling. Black gold jackfruit, seedling, again, to replace the one that has died back to the ground. Another Abiu, round variety, right? This one's looking much better. Another, what's this say? Another star apple, except this one I believe is grafted. It's the white variety or cultivar, right? I believe it's grafted. And then the pointed Abiu here, which we saw earlier. And finally, a Tommy Atkins mango. right? And that's grafted, of course. So, and I really like the stem on the Tommy Atkins, right? The trunk. There's the graft. So, let's get these babies out of the sun. So, that's a quick video from mid-spring in Melbourne, Australia. These have all got their own little, what do you call it? Gel, wetting agent to keep the trees happy in transit. So it's good that they use that. I don't think Dailies does that. So now I'm just gonna give him a couple of days to recover from that shock, and then go into the next shock, which is going into the ground. Yeah, we're gonna put him in the ground, guys. We're not doing pots. It's either they make it or they don't make it. I don't want to fool around with pots. So that's the video. Please give us a like if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't, guys. And we'll see you from the next one. I got a lot of work on my plate today. I'm going to be constructing or putting together a new vegetable bed at the back. See you from the next video.